Scamp Dude is a B Corp certified, purpose-led fashion brand. We're all about filling people with superpowers when they need it most. I think for us, one of the challenges has been running to keep up with the growth of the business and needing to become a lot more organised. I think going through the B Corp process was a huge help for us to get all our systems in place. I think that's where NetSuite came in as well, enabling us to really become just so much more streamlined and organised as a company and be all singing from the same sheet.
Prior to NetSuite, we were running on spreadsheets and a cloud-based accounting software for small SMEs. The system just wasn't up to scratch for what we needed. We didn't have a single source of the truth. We were relying on inefficiencies within the data sets. As we grew so rapidly, gearing up to move to a bigger warehouse and also gearing up for audit, there was definitely struggles within that. We originally chose NetSuite Suite Success Retail because that's the core finance function within NetSuite. We then added NetSuite Fixed Asset Management to have a database of all of our assets, which is imperative when we come down to audit season. We have NetSuite Premium Support and NetSuite Learning Cloud Support. Both of these enabled us, particularly during implementation with the learning support, anything we learned in training, we could then go to the learning support team to then grow on that knowledge. Since go live, we've now added NetSuite Analytics Warehouse. This really is a powerful place for us to utilise the data within NetSuite. The great part about NetSuite is we can integrate third-party systems. We've recently added into NetSuite's Analytics Warehouse additional integrations, one being Shopify. So while we bring in Shopify order information into NetSuite, we now bring in additional information into NetSuite Analytics Warehouse. I can build a data set, I can turn it into a graph, and then I can turn it into text to then build one single report. More recently, we've added NetSuite Advanced Customer Support, which is really there to help us optimise our system and monitoring on a day-to-day basis. The biggest impact NetSuite's had on our business is the single source of truth that we really bought it for. It touches every department. It's reduced duplicate work and inefficiencies within data. It supported us with audit readiness and company-wide reporting. Our month end used to take 14 days. It now takes 7 days. Our weekly payment run used to take a whole day. It now takes an hour, which really enables our team to focus on other tasks.
I think growing as quickly as we have has been quite overwhelming. I've had to make a lot of sacrifices, but having a strong team behind me has made a big difference. NetSuite as a whole has just made the whole company more organised and streamlined. I know that everything's working in the background so that I can focus on coming up with new campaigns, new charity campaigns, new designs, and growing the business in the way that we want it to.